Today we are going to explain a logarithm problem from its problem 16 of the AMC 12B of 2022. Suppose x and y are positive real numbers such that x to the power of y is 2 to the power of 64 and log 2 of x to the power of log 2 of y is 2 to the power of 7. And we want to find the greatest value of log 2 of y. So the first thing we can do here is really exchange things around. We can write this constraint as a logarithm equation, So therefore, when you do that, you get 7 is equal to log of 2 of log of 2x to the power of log of 2 of y. So according to formulas, we can rewrite this as 7 equals log 2 of y times log 2 of log 2 of x. So we have our first constraint simplified into a log equation. Now we can do for x to the power of y is 2 to the power of 64. So therefore, the first thing we can do is 64 is equal to y times log 2 of x. Yeah, so now we realize 64 is a power of 2. 64 is 2 to the power of 6. So we can rewrite this as a logarithm. So 6 is equal to, once you really just figure this out, you get log 2 of y plus log 2 of log 2 of x. Now, this might look really janky and weird, but once we assign variables to what we're looking for, it'll be a lot easier to read. So we use substitution. We let a be equal to log 2 of y, and now we let b be equal to log 2 of log 2 of x. So now once we just do the substitution here, we can plug in it into our two equations here. So the first one is going to be 7 is now equal to a times b, and now our second one is 6 is a plus b. Now we can just solve. So let's do that. B is 7 divided by a. 6 is a plus 7 over a. So right now, just multiply both sides by a. Move the 6 over. A squared minus 6a plus 7 is equal to 0. And now we use the quadratic equation to solve this. A is equal to, this is just 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 28, which is 8. Square root and divide by 2. We realize that we can take out a factor. So 8 is 4 times 2. 4 is a square, 2 squared. So basically, what you're saying is that you can take out the factor of 2 and then divide by 2 again. So to get our final answer for a, which is 3, since you divide by 2, the divide by 2 is gone. So it's now just 3 plus or minus the square root of 2. We want the greatest value or greater value of a in this case. So our final value for a is 3 plus the square root of 2 because that is greater.